if your fuel pump went, you might be going, holy cow, this is costing an arm and a leg, or maybe it's an arm to replace it. What is with the deal with the cost of replacing a fuel pump, Brian?
Well, there's quite a few variables in there, Randy. Sometimes it's a small pump itself. Sometimes you can only get it as a modular and assembly. Sometimes you can take the back seat out and remove an access plate and get to it from the inside of the car, which is a lot faster. Sometimes you have to take the tank out from underneath. If you have to take the tank out, how old is the car? This is Cleveland. There's corrosion and so forth. Right. Do you have to take the exhaust system out of the way to get the tank out? Is the tank mounting hardware, the straps, the fasteners, all that, is it really rusty?
So this become a huge labor issue is what this is.
It could become a huge labor issue. And it could even be, if the car's old enough, it might be that it needs hardware, straps, bolts, fuel lines, because you try to take the fuel lines apart and they're metal or steel and they start to fall apart. So it's just...
So it's almost like the fuel pump itself it's the little dollar sign. It's everything you got to get it to the right place and get it in properly.
Yeah. So there's a lot of variables on what it costs to do a fuel pump.
And there's not a darn thing you guys can do about that except just now. So
we use all the tricks that we've got to try to get things apart as well as we can to save everything. It's the best we can do.
Now you know. That's just the reality. So, Brian, thanks for sharing that with us.
Yeah.
And there you go. There you have it. It's just, that's life, right?
Yeah. Thanks, Randy.